Hi, this is Becky with Egghead Fixers, and today we're looking at the 8-tree Smart Plug 4-pack. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Pretty straightforward. Nice 4-pack of smart plugs. Power button on the side. This is something that you can connect to both your Alexa or your Google Home, whatever you prefer to use. You can find a link to these at the bottom of the screen, but let's set these up real quick and see how they work. So we have our smart plug all set up and ready to go, and it's connected to our Alexa. Alexa, turn on the schoolroom lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off the schoolroom lights.
Okay.
So it's a smart plug. It's pretty straightforward. There isn't a lot of variation in these devices, but we're pretty happy with it. And the size is something that might be a benefit depending on where exactly you're putting this. So just to give you guys a size comparison, side by side, this is the 8-tree. One thing I like about this is that it's round. It's not super big. Sometimes they can be a little large. This is a Casa smart plug. You can see it's quite a bit wider. Now, a lot of the times that's not going to matter, but say you need this to fit in a smaller space, maybe next to a piece of furniture, you don't have a lot of room, this might actually work a little bit better for you, just depending on where you're going to be putting it. So yeah, so it is a little bit smaller than the Casa smart plugs that we have a different review video on. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to install the Smart Life app. Pretty straightforward. You can just download that using the QR code in the instructions, and then once you have that downloaded, you just hold in this power button for 5 seconds to get it into pairing mode. Once you connect that, then it's very easy and straightforward to connect it to either your Google Home or your Amazon Alexa, whatever device you prefer to use. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. That helps us to know if we should keep more content like this coming. And for more videos like this, please consider following our channel or becoming a member. I hope you enjoyed this review. This is Becky with Egghead Fixers signing off.